The area near Istanbul's Taksim Square is now being monitored by police drones to see how many people are walking through its pedestrian-only zone. It's part of efforts to tackle the spread of COVID-19. Istiklal Street remains a popular tourist destination despite the global pandemic. The police allow only 7,000 people to cross at the same time here, while others wait to enter. This came after the Turkish government announced new measures, from overnight curfews to partial weekend lockdowns. The government wants to encourage people to stay at home as the number of daily COVID-19 cases across the country surpasses 30,000.
We need to observe, but also to proceed. There's no need for full curfews. People have businesses to run. Controlled progress is important with masks and social distancing, especially before the vaccine.
According to official data, at least 22,000 people walk through Istiklal Street at any given time, and this number reaches around 28,000 during this summer. The crowd restrictions only apply to Istiklal Street. Other public squares that are as crowded as this street are still open to everyone. Some here complain the measures that have been imposed are not enough to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Since many spend hours commuting to work, they would like to see more restrictions on public transport and fewer measures on open public areas like the street. Smoking outside has also recently been banned. Restaurants and cafes are only open for takeaways and delivery. Foreign tourists we spoke to say it was easy to come here for a visit despite the restrictions.
We choose Turkey because we don't need to bring a PCR test to come inside the country. It's good for the tourism. I mean, we can walk in the street more relaxing than in other countries in Europe.
But the Turkish Medical Association says the measures are too little, too late.
We're very late to impose restrictions. Except for the essentials, we must close all production facilities for at least 10 to 15 days. We've already lost 207 medical personnel so far.
These are the first hours of a full weekend lockdown and a quieter Friday evening in Taksim. Weeknight curfews have already been in place for a week. Some sectors are excluded from the restrictions. Now many are waiting to see if these latest measures will help Turkey curb the virus or if it will be forced to impose a full lockdown. Sinem, Koseoglu, Jazeera, Istanbul.